Hello everyone, welcome to 100 Days of DevOps Practical Learning. This is day 1. I will Linux user setup with a interactive shell. Today we will start a very important Linux concept, creating a user with a non-interactive shell. This is a real world DevOps practice that help improve system security. Normally, when you create a new Linux user, it get access to shell, usually called bin bash. But sometimes we don't want user to log in and interact with the system. Instead, we want them to exist only for specific tasks like file transfer, cron jobs, or running system or running application. In such cases, we give them non-interactive shell access, such as sbin no login. Let's step to demonstration. Today I used for demonstration AWS EC2 and I connect SSH through this server. Let's first create a normal user, then see the access bin bash. First command is I think my SSH access is terminated. I again connect my VM from SSH tools. First command is sudo. Sudo used for this user is not root, just regular user, that's why. Sudo user add test user 1 and hit enter. Create successful user. I will say when user is create or not. Just sudo grep username test user 1. Again I will use alternative method sudo grep etc or username. I think I mistake some argument test user 1 user information in etc passwd. I see the user test user 1 and user get the access bin bash. I will create another new user for not interactive shell. I just clear my terminal and command is sudo user add -s slash sbin slash no login username test user 2. Just hit enter. Created user, but I see the warning flag cause the missing non-executive cell. I just check it, this user information. Let's sudo grep username test user 2 slash etc passwd, and see is I create a user test user 2 and home is test user 2, but no login information is has been no login option. I will check the test user actually login this server or not. I just set password cause SSH don't accept without password. Sudo passwd username test user 2, hit enter, set new password for test user 2. I repeat password and successfully set password. Then I want to connect the server through SSH SQL shell. Username test user to @ and my server public IP. I save my public IP here, copy and paste, hit enter. Required to password, I set new password for test user 2, then I input password, and when I input password but not show for this terminal, permission deny. I think I mistake my password, again permission deny. Then I give the bin bash access this user, sudo user mod means user modify -s bin shell means bash username test user 2, and I will check the get shell access or not. Sudo grep username test user 2 etc passwd. Yes, you see the first time when I create a user, the user access has been no login, then I modify to bin bash, then get the user is bin bash. Now I will try to again SSH this user password. Yes, successfully log in the user. If someone tried to log as test user 2, this session will be closed immediately the message and say the permission deny. That's confirm our setup work. And that's it for DevOps day 1 of 100 days of DevOps practical learning. We successfully created a Linux user with non-interactive shell, and after all check and give the interactive shell access. This is a simple but powerful security practice that you will use often as a DevOps engineer. In day 2, we will continue building on Linux another session. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss the next session. Thank you all and bye.